Imagine spending a day in an AI workshop for destinations. You leave inspired. Your head is full of ideas and heavy with concerns. But nothing is live yet and won't be for the next year or so. Now imagine something else. This is Batumi, in the province of Adjara, Georgia. In just one day, we turned destination data into a working AI travel assistant. Not a slide deck, not a concept, a live demo. Visitors can ask which attractions are must-see, whether there is a fish market on Tuesday, what the best restaurants are, and even whether there's a music performance this Friday. This is the difference between inspiration and implementation. By participating with DM2 Find in an EU-funded innovation project, destinations don't just learn about AI. They learn by doing. They contribute, they are supported, and compensated for their input. And they end up with a real platform they can use, free via web for 2 years. So the question is simple. Do you want another workshop? Or do you want to embark on a journey that actually delivers? Express your non-binding interest to participate in our EU funding application by 28th February.